The burning of Notre Dame Cathedral was a terrible shock to many across the entire world. But thankfully, this isn't the last we will see of Notre Dame. Companies and French billionaires have pledged $450 million to rebuild the cathedral. I'm going to tell you what happens next right now on I.O. Welcome back to InformOverload. I'm Charlotte Dobre. Hit that subscribe for daily trending news and follow the InformOverload team on social media. After firefighters worked through the night to extinguish a fire that blazed for an estimated 15 hours, it was announced that the fire had finally been put out. It was also announced that the central structure of Notre Dame was saved by exhausted firefighters. The two iconic bell towers remained intact, and architects and specialists scoured the building to analyze the damage. However, the central spire as well as the roof of the cathedral are completely gone. One firefighter was also injured. French President Emmanuel Macron promised to rebuild the site and plans to launch an international fundraising campaign. The biggest donation so far was made by the LVMH Group, which is the company that owns Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior, and Givenchy. They pledged 200 million euros or $226 million. The company said in a statement that the donation showed solidarity with this national tragedy, and the funds would be used to rebuild this extraordinary cathedral and symbol of French heritage and unity. LVMH is also making its creative and financial teams available to help with the rebuilding and gathering of donations. In addition, 100 million euros or $113 million was given by the Pinot family, the family that controls the French luxury conglomerate Kering. CEO of Kering said in a statement, "This tragedy is striking all the French people, and beyond that, all those attached to spiritual values." He added, "Faced with this tragedy, everyone wishes to give life back to this jewel of our heritage as soon as possible." Another 100 million euros was pledged by Total, which is a French oil and gas company. Artworks that were housed in Notre Dame that were saved will be transferred to the Louvre Museum. These artifacts include the crown of thorns that is believed by Christians to have been worn by Jesus Christ when he was crucified. Notre Dame's organ, which is one of the most famous organs in the world, was also saved. The organ has 8,000 pipes and dates back to the 1730s. At least one of the cathedral's rose windows has survived, but there are concerns over some other stained glass windows. And amazingly, the altar cross is still intact. This disaster has also brought together world leaders. Russian President Vladimir Putin pledged to send experts to help restore the cathedral. The British government is also looking into what they can do to help, as well as the Spanish government. There is quite a long road ahead. It's going to take months, if not years, to rebuild the cathedral to its former glory. It's going to be a while before the streets of Paris hear the bells of Notre Dame, but at least future generations will have the chance to witness its glory sometime in the future. We will keep you updated on how you can help in the effort to rebuild Notre Dame. For now, I'm going to lighten the mood and wrap up this video by responding to some of your comments. Ashley Hoy said, "Hi, my name is Ashley. I subscribed a few months ago. I love this channel. It is one of the best channels on YouTube. Great work, Charlotte. See you soon." Thanks, Ashley, means a lot. Bubbles said, "I dare one of the hosts to wear a lime green shirt and lime green pants, a stripe that's lime green, a green screen color. Do you want me to get smacked by one of the editors?" Didn't think so. Maybe you do, I don't know. Born as Queen said, "Girl, I haven't had my comment read since you did birthday shoutouts." Becra said, "I will call the police on Charlotte if she doesn't read this comment out loud in the next video. Sorry, Charles, but sometimes I have a habit of keeping it too real." That's blackmail. Je téléphone à la police, okay? On you. The video is over, thank you for watching, and if you want to keep watching, we'll put together a playlist for you that's right over here. And obviously, you should leave a like and subscribe and turn on notifications so I can see you in a future I.O. video.